All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip network, get 365% of your investment, 1% a day. All kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. Today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. It's down right this second. Going to go to the website, check out their Twitter, and also a way that you can make passive income if you're a Dogelon Mars holder. This is going to be pretty awesome. We're going to go over that, how you can make passive income. It seems to be like the buzzword, passive income. Also, Warren Buffett, yeah, he bought $1 billion in cryptocurrency. 1 billion with the big B. So as everybody's starting to worry about crypto, all of a sudden Warren Buffett buys $1 billion. So I don't know. It seems like cryptocurrency is becoming more mainstream. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so we don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. Price prediction at the end. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, Dogelon Mars, 121st cryptocurrency. Down about 10% right here. Could be a discount buy. Ding, ding, ding. Clicking it. Over here to the right, it's only down 0.5% in the last 24 hours. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. And a 99.86. Looks like one of these zeros are going to be crushing here soon. Could be crushing before we even get done with this video here. 99.86. That's so close. Take a look in the last 24 hours. It kind of really went down. It kind of really came back up in the last 7 days. Coin's down about 10% from where it started. Checking the holders of Dogelon. Clicking the 90 days. 90 days ago, 115,000 holders. Today, 129. That's about 15. Well, it's about a 10% increase. So 10% increase in the holders in the last 90 days. It says right here, how Dogelon Mars investors can make passive income even in a bearish market. So there we go. We got the voltage pools engaged. So it says towards the end of January, Dogelon Mars is the 119th cryptocurrency. Was a multi-week rock bottom after briefly consolidating. Elon started inching back towards its monthly high in February. Nevertheless, the bearish intensity over the past week has token recovering path has been hindered. And we just looked at this kind of, like how it kind of came down and it's bouncing back up. So what does it say? After fetching a negative ROI of 10% over the past week, Dogelon is revolving around, and there's the zeros and 94 of late. Given the fraction state of the broader market, the chances of Elon posing an immediate recovery seems to be quite slim at the moment. But here he goes, that word, passive income, the Dogelon holders into the rescue. Despite the disappointing outlook on the price front, there's something that Elon holders to cheer about. A couple of days ago, Dogelon Mars went live on the decentralized payment network Fuse. Oh boy. Dogelon Mars is now on Fuse network. Voltage pools are engaged. Beefy vault online with help of Fuse. We will soon expand to all corners of the galaxy. Holy cow, everybody. Fuse network becomes only the 4th EVM chain on which the token has officially been enabled. The Fuse/Elon trading pool has been created on the Voltage Finance, formerly Fuse FI, decentralized exchange, and initially liquidity has already been deposited to help kickstart the trading. To further incentivize the liquidity provision, a boost vault has been created for a pool on Beefy Finance. As such, Beefy is a major multi-chain yield protocol that has recently deployed to Fuse network. Here's to go, the yield farming program on Elon/Fuse pool on Voltage Finance and LP Token Boost together represent an attractive passive income stream for Dogelon community. All right, everybody. Thus, even dwelling prices, Elon holders have a quite good opportunity to continue fetching returns. So great news for Dogelon Mars community. The word that everybody's liking today, passive income. It says Dogelon to the Twitter account. Dogelon now is live on Fuse Network. Voltage pros are engaged. Beefy Vault online. With help of Fuse, we will soon expand to all the corners of the world. And there it is. And here it is, Fuse and Dogelon Mars. This is fantastic news, everybody. Again, you can have passive income with Fuse. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. What an awesome opportunity. Passive income now for Dogelon Mars community. All right, Warren Buffett, everybody knows him as one of the best traders ever. And now he's getting into cryptocurrency with the B. 1 billion. Let's go ahead and head over. Warren Buffett just invested 1 billion in crypto. Those were once the words of Warren Buffett, the famous investor called the Sag of Omaha, for knowing things before the rest of the market. Now his money is saying otherwise. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, has bought $1 billion worth of stock in digital bank that focuses on cryptocurrency. Berkshire Hathaway made its crypto investment public with the SEC filing earlier this week. It reveals Buffett's company has purchased $1 billion in shares of Nubank, a digital base in Brazil, the largest of its kind in Latin America. Nubank is a so-called neobank, a type of bank that operates outside the rules of traditional banking systems. Unlike most banks, Nubank welcomes cryptocurrency and even offers products such as Bitcoin, exchanges, trading funds, EFTs. This says Berkshire already bought $500 million in a stake of Nubank last summer, months before the company went public in December. At the time, Nubank announced that it had been the largest single investor in the French bank had ever received. So that's got to make everybody kind of feel good in the crypto space that Warren Buffett just invested $1 billion into crypto. All right, give us your thoughts. Does that make you feel warm and fuzzy that Warren Buffett is now putting $1 billion into cryptocurrency, and the best ad on the Super Bowl was a cryptocurrency ad, and everybody's talking about crypto? Yeah, crypto's not going anywhere. So pretty much don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, Warren Buffett. We feel great about it. You know, just like the Burger King offering the dog purrs and all these different things, cryptocurrency, AMC accepting Dogecoin to accept movie tickets, Tesla accepting Dogecoin also. Just fantastic stuff. All right, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars. Price prediction, check out that website. Over here at the website, Dogelon Mars, it's a re-facelift, really nice website. You got crypto.com, Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoins, Huobi, and Gemini, 6 places you can get the Dogelon Mars. The community has 650,000 plus on Twitter, 90,000 on Telegram. They got their comic Sega Begins right here, ranking at 121st, market cap at 552.61 M. It's got a little tutorial how you can get Dogelon Mars right here. I'm clicking over here to our coin market cap. Well, our price prediction today is easy. We're going to crush one of these zeros right here. So don't forget, all our information is for educational purposes only. With Dogelon Mars right here, 10% down. It could be a good discount buy. Check it out. You got Anchor Protocol right below it, 21% up. And Woo, 17% down right there. All right, Warren Buffett buying $1 billion in crypto. Dogelon Mars, now the holders can get passive income. So that's a fantastic thing, working with the Fuse network. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video. Don't forget to click right here to see our drip network, 365% on your initial investment, 1% a day. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.